Alright, this is the part you get. 5 volts. Those are even soldered on. You can use this with your cell phone charger. Here's the one that I have. I took my USB cable, plugged it into here. I stripped the ends and attached it to the end here. Just want to show you this. My little device I made. And now you can use this Plant Spectrum grow light off a USB charger. It's got a nice purple color too. Got a nice purple, violet. That's the name. Let me see if I can match it up on the. Sometimes if I pull the color away from, that's it. That's the color right there. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. You get 6. All right.